Hello again, everybody. It is now 10:18 and 8 seconds on April 26th. This is the main drawing for the House of Secrets 92. Over here are the 28 filled spots. Let me just go down back again. Barney, you got spots 26 and 23 for coming in second place in the mini. Greg, 21, 20, and 17 filled for coming in second place in the mini. There is everybody else. Just going to go back down one more time. All right. As far as I can see, there is only one international person playing in this. So should you win, you do need to pay the international shipping. Shipping is only free inside the United States. One other thing, and it seems as though I'm saying it once a day, not trying to be mean, please don't take it the wrong way, but never send me money unless I have confirmed you have a spot. Somebody sent me money on something saying, oh, I'll take these 2 spots, and not only was the thing closed, I had already run it. So please don't send money until I comment back to you saying that you have a spot. There is lag, so sometimes you look at something, if you haven't refreshed it, you think there are spots, so you're claiming them, but there aren't. Okay, but let's get this show on the road. All right, number is 12. Name at the top of the list gets the book. It will go out today, I promise you. All right, here we go. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is the final one. Spot 1, Chris Hibbs. Congratulations. Time is 10:20 and 6 seconds.